Welcome back all of my viewers and all of my subscribers back to the trendy dancehall. You know the style? Naturally before we jump in it, me I go ask you to subscribe if you're new. You see? But now I go tell no lie, we are kick it off with Rose. You see me, I must say twin man sets up bops and bring her a one salon and sort her out proper. Nails and ear and you see me? John was there and yeah, it kinda look good, you see me, when I go tell no lie. You see me, but a date them prepare up for. You see me? She an expert go on big date.
Go on, slow down, sit down. Make you sit, come up someone. Can't back seat look a bit now. Sit down now. Yeah.
But anyways, you don't know the style, people, and that will come for talk, boy. You see me? So, watch a prayer now. Reggae slash dancer slash hip hop artist known as Koffee meeting a little small incident today, you see me? And by the looks of it, on my perception, anyway I want to call it, you see me? I'm glad for no one and know me and ya pray it.
Favorite singer?
Yeah. Boy. Koffee just crashing on one car. Damn. The artist look like she well, bro.
Then I must. Don't reverse!
Oh
Reverse.
shit.
Oh shit.
So first and foremost, people, I just want to say I'm glad she okay, you see me? I'm not going to tell no lie, because you could have hear to how 2020 around right now, that area, you know, look good. So I'm glad for no see I know big, you see me? And I never know serious, you see, pray. People and guys, as you can see, the road look busy in the video, you see me? And when traffic busy them way, they have to really alert and you see me, I pay attention, you see me, so you have to just be a little careful next time and thing, you see me, Koffee. Yeah, man, you know them way the people. Comment down below, tell me what you think, you see me, and differently, as you want to see, it's a small incident, you see me, I'm glad for no one and nothing big, yeah, man. So, accident happen, thank God to be alright, end of the day, can't afford to lose, or to see nothing. You see me, I take place where impact on our society end of the day, cause as you can see, 2020 is not such a nice year, you see me? So, yeah man, a mad thing, man. And to the next week go, you know, so Rygin King people, I'm sure in the ear about what go on, and if you not hear, I'm gonna give you the memo. So the latest news on Rygin King incident was that police arrested two guys, you know, at the hospital. So remember, say Rygin King was, you know, removed from the hospital in Falmouth to a different one, you see me, cause just for him safety, you see me. And my ear say differently him def on him bed, so you know, say him weak. And the guy them what did go inside the hospital differently under disguise and thing. My ear say them guy they never have no gun or no weapon or none of them thing. Which them no need them thing. They use me if they prayed people. As may I say, police hold them under suspicion. You see me? And the news is that people go for him at the hospital. You see me, people. And when I like to hear that, but hopefully, I don't know. But I hear say the manager and thing, them a watch you are going differently. You see me? Them have all eyes on the dog. So nobody can to get near to the money, you see me? So I want to keep it that way because we don't really know what I go on, but we hear what I go on and we don't really want to put it on the media like that. But at the end of the video, these people, please like, subscribe and share.